Hi, I'm Jay,
And I'm Lisa.
and in this video you're going to hear and see references to the JLT oil separator. Well, we're excited to announce that as of December 2021, all JLT oil separators will now be J&L oil separators.
Same great product with a different name.
Thank you for your purchase.
We're going to walk you through the installation of the JLT oil separator on your 1.5 liter EcoBoost Ford Escape. Included in the JLT oil separator kit is a pre-assembled oil separator, mounting bracket, mounting hardware. Tools you'll need for installation is a 10mm socket and ratchet, a Phillips head screwdriver, a razor or an X-Acto knife, a pair of gloves, and recommended would be wheel bearing grease or axle grease. You can also use motor oil in a pinch. Let's get started. We're going to locate our PCV line here. We're going to need to remove this. On each side of this connection, there's two tabs that you just press in and lift up. That's those two there. And then it's the same on the back. So you're just pressing those in to release the tabs on the side. Alright, so now we got our PCV line here. We need to remove this fitting. And right now we got our heat gun already warming up. You can use a lighter also to heat up this hose end. We want to be able to do that to be able to pull this out. I put a glove on because you're going to have to pull this sharp fitting out. Just going to get that warmed up. There you go. Alright, now we have to install our OEM fittings into our oil separator. The 90-degree fitting is going to go in the hose with the 90-degree fitting off the can. The straight fitting with the straight fitting. Quick tip here that will help you be successful in installing these fittings. We use axle grease or wheel bearing grease, any kind of grease. You can use motor oil, you can use dish soap. The more slippery the better, because it will help in pushing this large fitting into this hose. So we're going to lube up this hose end. And then I'm also going to put some on the fitting itself. And then you got to grab it and just muscle it in. So rotate it all the way around, make sure the grease is on touching everything. Then you're just going to push it in. A pair of gloves also helps for some cushion. What you can do is if you get it close, you can kind of screw it in. And you can see our fitting is pushed all the way up on the hose there. So that's sufficient. It's not going to come out. You're going to do the same for your straight fitting. The straight fitting can be a little tougher because you can't get a good handle on it. So what I'll try sometimes is actually pushing it against a table. Be liberal with the grease, not going to hurt anything. We're just going to get it started. Like so. Next, we're going to take our bracket, line it to the top of our can.
Tighten my screws down.
In your hardware bag was this threaded insert. This is going to slide over this hole like that. Grab your mounting bolt, slide your can in there. Get that started. Take your 10mm ratchet and tighten that up. Okay, and then you just have to make your connections. So the rear plug in, and then your front 90 there.